Hello everyone, my name is Saide. Welcome to the Textile Design with Photoshop. In this session, we have a very simple lesson that is how to make a color palette in your design. I hope you watch this video and like it. If you like, please subscribe the channel.
Before I start, I would like to introduce my Instagram page entitled Gilani Design. You can follow the page and see my design over there. And if you have any question regarding to each design and drawing process, ask me and send me a message. In the previous session, we performed the color reduction process for this image and reduced more than 100 colors to 27 colors only. In this session, I would like to teach you how to make a color palette from this image. To start, go to Image from menu bar, then select Canvas size. In the Windows pops up, click on the top center arrow and then increase the height value to 2 centimeter and finally click OK. This results in the page size to increase. Now click on Rectangular Marquee tool and draw a square in added white space. Then go to the eyedropper tool and click on background of image and next go to the edit option and select fill and select the foreground color. These colors the round square and this way we have our first color chip. Now to make full color of palette and make multiple copy of that until you have enough chips. You can keep the Control Alt and Shift in your keyboard and drag the squares to make a multiple chips as you need. Then deselect the last one by Ctrl D or Command D. Again, assign different colors to these chips. Select the eyedropper tool and pick another color from your image. Then select the bucket tool and fill the next chips. Continue this method to fill all the chips. As the last color is white, you need to make a black frame around it. So first we have to go to toolbars and select the rectangular marquee tool and make a frame around the last color and go to the edit from menu bar and select a stroke. In the stroke window, select the outside and the black color. Put 0 for HSB, which represent hue, saturation, and black. Or you can move the arrow to the darkest place in color picker palette. Now click on eyedropper tool and pick a white color on the image. This makes last chip to white. Finally, go to select and hit the deselect. This was a very simple method to make a colored chips. Next step is to have the number of each color to save for future use. To find the color numbers, again click on eyedropper tool and click on first chip, and again then click on foreground in the toolbars. On the color picker window, we can copy the color number, then press on OK and click on type tool in toolbars and paste the chip color number by Ctrl V or Command V near to the top of the chip. Do the same process for other colored chips. As you can see, multiple layers develop as you copy and paste the color numbers. The final step is to merge all these layers together. To do this, go to the layer from menu, then select the flatten image, and this finalize this session. And we have only one layer for the color palette of our image. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy, like it and subscribe the channel to watch new videos.